Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to go through this beautiful concept map that is made by Chico Azima from SMPJN, and I've sent this to you guys through Google Classroom. So let's go through the answers together. Okay, so we're going through acids and alkalis, so let's go through acids first. So the properties of acids. C here. Okay, I'm going to just zoom in there a little bit. So the C over here refers actually to corrosive. And S there, it has a sour taste. And this right here, I think we need to talk about litmus paper. So it changes blue litmus paper to red. The pH should be less than 7. Now let's compare that to alkali. The properties of an alkali, it can also be corrosive if it is a very strong alkali. B for bitter taste. I think I'll reduce the pen size. Okay, and it changes red litmus paper to blue. The pH should be more than 7. And it has a soapy feel. Okay, what are some of the common alkalis that we know? So one of them is sodium hydroxide. And this actually, so the star here refers to what is it used for. And sodium hydroxide, let's just do a recap. So here are our common alkali, like sodium hydroxide. And some of the uses is to make soaps and detergents, making sodium salt to neutralize acids and to remove paint and grease. So let's go for making soap and detergent. Okay, the second one. We have is potassium hydroxide, and it can make liquid soap as well, dyeing cloth, paint, nail varnish removal. But over here, only 3, so I would choose something a bit more different, like calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, in its main uses, is to reduce soil acidity, making mortar, cement, and plasters, and removing hair from hides. So calcium hydroxide. Okay, next one, ammonia solution. It's a pretty good one because it is also used to make fertilizers and bleach as well. And ammonia is pretty common in the lab. You're going to use this quite a lot in chemistry year 9, 10, and 11. Okay, let's move on to acids now. So what are the examples of common acids? The first one is a common acid that you can find in your stomach, and that's hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid has like quite a few uses as well. Oopsie, I need to charge my laptop. Okay, here are your common lab acids. And so hydrochloric acid is actually found in your stomach. It helps to digest food and kill bacteria, and also is used to remove rust and cleaning metallic surfaces. So I'll go with digesting food. Okay, second one, used in car batteries. Which one is used in car batteries? It's sulfuric acid. And we have nitric acid, the third one. Nitric acid is used to make fertilizers and explosives. Okay, now we're going to move on to this part, neutralization. So neutralization is when you add an alkali and an acid. Definition is right here, so let me just look for that. Neutralization is a process or a chemical reaction between an acid and an alkali to form salt and water. That is the definition, and also the definition you can get the equation as well, the word equation. So the important thing you need to know here as well is the products should be salt and water. Not hydrogen, but water. This is the word equation. So it's pretty easy. So you just write down acid plus alkali and then salt and water. So in the classroom, I asked your friends to kind of do a little bit of an exercise, which is to choose an acid and an alkali from here, and then to make a word equation out of them. So let's pick some of our common acids and alkali. So let's pick sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid to neutralize them. So for example, this one would be, if you're asked to write a word equation, so sodium, okay, I need to zoom in a little bit. So the acid, the acid should be hydrochloric acid. Plus sodium hydroxide, that's an alkali. Then you draw an arrow and the salt should be named. So you get the first name from the alkali, which is sodium. And then the second name is from the acid, which is this part, so sodium chloride. Plus water. So let's try a different one. So let's have this time calcium hydroxide with sulfuric acid. So remember, the first name is from the alkali, second name is from the acid. So it should be calcium sulfate plus water. And this is your salt, and this is the product that's water. And that is how you complete this beautiful mind map or concept map. Thank you everyone for watching this video.